We've just acquired this lovely looking Volvo C30 D2 R design. It's the facelift model. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's gleaming black and metallic, and the wheels are finished in anthracite and are all immaculate condition. Obviously got the R design wing mirrors, R design body styling kit. It's got rear park distance control, rear diffuser in the boot, the proper Volvo carpet mats, all in good condition. Inside the car, got the half leather trim with the R design embossed logo. It's got the blue dials which come with the R design only. Got the factory fitted pop-up sat nav. It's got Bluetooth and Bluetooth music streaming. It's got the heated seats, 2 stages, climate control air conditioning which is blowing nice and cold. Got the remote here for the satellite navigation. Got the locking wheel nut and the bumper pack's all there. We've got an AUX and a USB point there. It's got cruise control, R design steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, automatic headlights. Really is a lovely high specification car. Drives absolutely superb. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.